If you are like us, marketers, you are always looking for the next tool to make your daily tasks easier, boost productivity, and make your work smoother. As your company gets bigger and you have more data and tasks, it's essential to look for tools that can help you manage your marketing and customer relationships better and more quickly. Today, we are happy to talk about one of our favorite choices. HubSpot is a complete CRM platform designed to make your work easier. It helps with everything from marketing tasks to managing customer relationships smoothly. If you own a small business and want to improve, or if you're a marketer looking for new tools for your next campaign, today's blog will explain how HubSpot works. The following will assist you decide if it's right for you. Ready to dive in? What exactly is HubSpot? HubSpot is a comprehensive platform designed to enhance your marketing services, sales, customer service, and relationship management efforts. This solution aims to help your business attract and connect with customers using a clear plan that includes inbound marketing, online reputation management, automating tasks, and improving customer interactions. Advantages of HubSpot for marketing professionals. As you begin to master HubSpot for your marketing requirements, you'll discover a wealth of advantages at your fingertips. Presenting a selection for you. Streamline your efforts. HubSpot combines essential tools for email marketing, social media management, SEO, and lead management into one cohesive platform, eliminating the hassle of juggling multiple solutions. With HubSpot's marketing automation service, you can effortlessly streamline repetitive tasks such as email campaigns and lead nurturing. This not only saves you valuable time, but also ensures your efforts remain consistent and timely. Unlock the power of analytics and reporting with HubSpot. Get detailed information and real-time data that help you watch how your campaign is doing and improve your plans for better results. Lead management and CRM integration. This platform easily tracks leads from the first contact to when they become customers. It helps to group audiences, create personalized content, and build strong relationships. HubSpot offers an easy-to-use CMS with built-in SEO tools, making it simple to create, manage, and improve website content for better visibility. Personalization and targeting. HubSpot helps you divide your audience and create tailored marketing campaigns. This makes your content more relevant and boosts engagement and conversion rates. Experience seamless usability and remarkable scalability with HubSpot's user-friendly interface, designed for marketers at every expertise level. Explore various plans designed to evolve alongside your business as your marketing requirements expand. HubSpot's key features for your marketing needs. Once you start using HubSpot, you'll be happy with its features to streamline your marketing and get more done faster. Here are some HubSpot features marketers love. 1. Manage campaigns. Big campaigns are hard to manage without the right tools. HubSpot lets you develop and manage multi-channel campaigns, including email marketing, social media, landing sites, and more, from one dashboard. HubSpot helps you define goals, target audience, and plan content to keep your campaigns on track. 2. Email marketing. Email marketing is a highly successful method for audience engagement. HubSpot's email marketing features let you automate campaigns to send the correct emails to the right people at the right time without wasting time. HubSpot lets you personalize emails based on behavior, preferences, and brand interactions to boost open rates, click-throughs, and conversions. The software enables you to A/B test subject lines, content, and design to find what works best for your audience and gives you results. 3. Lead generation and nurturing. Any successful marketing plan requires lead generation and nurturing. Luckily, HubSpot has many tools to gather, engage, and lead conversion. Create high-converting landing pages, sign-up forms, and personalized calls to action, CTAs, with HubSpot's drag-and-drop interface. After capturing leads, HubSpot's workflows and automation capabilities enable nurturing them through the sales funnel through automated sequences or actions based on their behavior and buyer's journey stage. This keeps your leads interested and advancing toward conversion by providing the correct material at the right time. 4. Social media management. Social media management for your brand is a full-time job. Due to its social media management features, HubSpot is useful to busy marketers who don't have time to manually publish on many networks multiple times a day. HubSpot lets you link several social media accounts, schedule, not all platforms allow, monitor, and analyze your postings. HubSpot enables you to schedule updates on Facebook, X, LinkedIn, and Instagram to maintain your online presence and save time. 5. SEO/content strategy. Today, search engine visibility is essential for website traffic and customer acquisition. HubSpot's SEO tools and content strategy features lead content optimization for improved search engine performance. HubSpot offers real-time SEO tips for meta descriptions, titles, headers, and relevant keywords as you write in the blog editor, landing page builder, and web page editor. It also helps you plan and organize content around audience-relevant trends, create subject clusters and pillar pages to effortlessly link similar material for well-structured, SERP-optimized web pages. 6. CRM management. Effective customer relationship management, CRM, is crucial for successful marketing. Managing client contacts is a significant task for developing companies, so they need the correct tools and help. HubSpot's CRM solutions link with other marketing platforms to track and manage every customer interaction with your company, from their first web visit to continuous engagement through landing pages and social media. HubSpot makes it easier to personalize communication across the client lifecycle by centralizing this data. You'll have the tools to customize your emails, retarget campaigns, and lead nurturing. HubSpot provides a live chat function for real-time interaction with website visitors, answering inquiries and guiding them through the sales process. Ready to optimize your marketing efforts? If you believe that a marketing tool like HubSpot is the best way to aid your growing business, we agree. HubSpot is a beautiful tool for centralizing data, saving time, and keeping your team on the same page. If you're seeking additional ways to optimize your next marketing campaign and save time, we have one more recommendation for you. Why not partner with Bizionic Technologies for your marketing needs? Bizionic rapidly connects you with top talent in graphic design, digital marketing service, copywriting, social media management, and any other skills required to launch a successful marketing campaign. We offer over 150 creative and marketing services, providing a comprehensive solution for all your needs. You concentrate on your work and the growth of your business digital presence with our marketing and media.